What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this brand new YouTube video where I'll teach you guys step by step how to start an affiliate marketing business and show you the journey how do you build a successful affiliate marketing. So this is gonna be A to Z, how to start an affiliate marketing, how to choose an offer, how to market that offer, and also how to drive traffic to that offer. So I use Clickbank, and most of affiliates they use Clickbank because Clickbank it's the most popular, and they have been in business for many years. And to be precise, I'm going to show you that it's available in 200 countries. Also, it has been in business for over 20 years. They have paid out $4.2 billion. So Clickbank is the real deal. What you got to do is to sign up an account, click sign up, and then it will take you to a sign up form. So what you have to do is create an account. It's 100% for free. All you got to do is add your country, your name, your last name, and your mobile number, and also your password. Make sure to have a lowercase and uppercase for that, and then you got to read the terms and condition and then click continue. Pretty much easy how to start that. Now what you have to do is sign up for an account. It takes 5 to 10 seconds to make the account, and you are good to go. When you sign up, you'll come to this page where what you have to do is click on marketplace, and then you will end up in this place. So people are too much confused about how to choose the categories or how to choose your niche. It's so easy. What you gotta do is first thing to get to know how to choose a product is all you gotta do. Without entering any details, you click this search button, and then once you search, then it will show you the best offer that is being in the Clickbank. For example, this product called research, that is in the top 10, and as you can see the gravity is 702. So for beginners, I don't never suggest, and as you guys have seen my videos, I never suggest to promote the biggest offers because there's so much competition, and you won't be able to retain that money or retain that commission. So what you have to do is, first thing what you gotta do is come to the date. This is my trick. Come to the date and drag that into the last couple of months that has been added. The reason why we do this is first because we don't want to be late, and we want to promote offers that are still new, and also that the gravity is high. And in this example, we can see this product called Lab Connect, and the average sale is $99, and it has an affiliate page. The other thing I want you guys to learn, and I want you guys to know, is always when you have to promote something, it has to have an affiliate page. This is an affiliate page, and also it should have a support affiliate page, so that you can come to them and ask them questions regarding your offer, regarding your affiliate. So never promote. There's so many dodgy and so many scammy offers in Clickbank. Clickbank has many offers, so it's the BS. So they always have offers that might scam you. So you should never go blindly and promote something. You gotta have an affiliate page, and it should have an affiliate support page. Okay, now for that we have covered it. What we gotta do is now I'm gonna choose a product for you guys that I think that would work. So first thing, I personally go to e-business and e-marketing, and then what I do, I promote offers. For example, now these in the e-business and e-marketing, you can see CP University, it is in the top, obviously because it's from Clickbank. And there's gonna be another offers on the 12 minutes is also another good offer that I highly suggest you guys to look into, and Commission Hero, which is the one that for this training I'm gonna teach you about. Again, it has affiliate page, it has affiliate support, the contact, and here what you gotta do is when you come to the page, what you gotta do is watch the training. Watch the JV video, and then read about what it's talking about. Okay, and then you gotta request add your details, For this example, I've added YouTube, and they asked me when do you promote it, and I said now. What you got to do is submit that. When you're done with this, once you submit it, what you got to do is then you for this exact affiliate commission hero, you need to be approved to promote this product. I personally have been approved. It takes a day to 2 business days, as you can see from here. Then you are good to go to promote this product. Okay. Also, you guys need to read all these information, and these are the promotion video. These are for the Instagram swipes, and also these are the videos on the news feed for Facebook. This this course or webinar, converts best on Facebook, and the person that is teaching you about this, Robbie, he's good with Facebook, so that's why you gotta go with Facebook. Okay. It also converts on YouTube, but I personally been doing it on Facebook, so that's what I suggest you guys to do. And then here on the commission hero, ad copy, you click it. You will need that for the Facebook ad copy, and then you need to download a bunch of videos from here to start with this. And also what you got to do is here are the genders that are for Facebook ad detailed targeting, what you have to do, and here are the email swipes. For this, what we need to have is 2 things. We need to have landing page, and we also need to have an email marketing. These are the 2 essentials. Excuse me, 2 essentials that you need to build for profitable and long-term affiliate business. You need to have an autoresponder, and you need to have a landing page. Both of them you need to invest some money, but there's a 30 days free trial on both. The landing page builder, which is going to be ClickFunnels in this example, and there's going to be AFFILAE or Getresponse. I use both of them for 2 reasons. So in this video, I'm going to show you Getresponse and also like that. So for ClickFunnels, you got to do is get your landing page, which I'm going to also give you a landing page. So what you got to do is sign up using the link in the description, and also the AFFILAE that I'm going to leave it in the description. It's going to be linked in the description for that as well. Okay, now I already have this imported, so what I got to do is go to my funnel and then show you the funnel that I built for you guys. Okay, I haven't built it, but it's but from Commission Hero guys. So and then we gotta open Getresponse so that we do the email swipes for it as well. So these are the ad copies that you'll be needing for Facebook ads, and like you can see that the targeting for this is Clickbank, Russell Brunson, affiliate marketing, and many more. I never suggest you guys to copy exactly what they're saying. Edit some stuff and add your tweaks into the ad copy so that you could convert it really well for you guys. Alright, now what we have to do is come to the AFFILAE, the Getresponse. So this is the while this loads, I'm going to show you about the ClickFunnels. Here are the funnel that you can use for this. Very easy. It has an image, and then it has case study, and then it's talk about the person that is doing this, and then this has 2-step, which I've already integrated with my Getresponse, as you can see. And also there's going to be a thank you page here where you have to add your affiliate link. Okay, this is the video that you need to watch. They need to watch, and then here when you click set action, and then here your affiliate link for this example. Okay, now if you guys are to get approved for Commission Hero, you will get an email from Clickbank not from Vobi or Commission Hero team. You will get an email from Clickbank team saying that you have been whitelisted for Commission Hero, and then there where you're able to get that. So the other things that you guys need to do is come to Fiverr. Here are the place where you need to get what do you gotta do? Facebook ads illustration. Okay, the reason why you need to do this is because it's not good to use the same images that they provide you. So what you gotta do is you need to buy it costs you $10 for this. You need to buy images like this. You can go with this person, he's very good. You can go with him and ask him that I need to get you to make an image for me. You can get one black and white for standard, you can get a colored illustration. You need to explain to him that you need to make for Commission Hero, and then he will understand what he wants, what he wants, and then he will make that for you. Okay, so that is for how to do that. And then I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can drive traffic with. The first traffic is going to be the fast one, the easy one, the simplest one. Sorry, I opened my over. The fast one, what you got to do is the easy one, the fast. So it's going to be Udemy. It's a solo ads leads. Again, it's a solo ads leads. You buy leads from people that have big lists. You can ask them, I have a product that I want to promote, can you send it to your email list? Before that, what you gotta do is message them and ask them more information. For example, if you are going with this person, what you gotta do is click message and then say something like, hi, I have an offer like Commission Hero. Do you think it would be suitable in your list? And ask him that the percentage that people buy, as you can see, there's 42%, and ask him things like, what do you think, is it gonna convert, and things like that. So if you buy 1,000, which I don't suggest you guys to start with if you are a beginner, but if you are more experienced, so you need to go with either 500 or you go with 300, and then ask them that once you done with your questions and you're ready to buy, then you gotta go with your landing page. Once you go with your landing page, then you're gonna click add to cart. But I have a bonus for you guys, which is gonna be free $5 of your purchase if you use my link. Instead of you paying 269, you'll be paying 264. Okay, so that's it. And the other thing, which is going to be the other way that you can start promoting these kind of products, which is going to be using the good Facebook ads handy dandy. So I already have an ad that is running, which is using for Commission Hero. I'm going to show you. I have started this ad recently. It's been running for around 3 hours. So I'm going to explain to you how this ad is going. Okay, so here is what I'm doing. First thing what I'm doing is I'm targeting 4 ad set. Okay, it's gonna be an ad set that says Russell Brunson, an ad set that Grant Cardone, and I think that Ty Lopez, and that's a Clickbank. Okay, and then the conversion is lead. It's not a buy or it's not anything, it's a lead. And then I'm doing CPO, which is going to be $10, and then I'm using a creative that is and the page that says Commission Hero example. I'm just saying an example, and then I'm doing a video that is provided by him, and then I'm adding all these good stuff. Okay, I'm using my link. I have already added the Facebook pixel, which is this is how you can do it. Sorry, okay, sorry for that. You need to click business, and then you need to click event manager, and then you need to, if you don't have already Facebook pixel set up, you have to click add new and then make it. For me, it's already been set up, so I cannot create new pixel. You can create 1 pixel per account, and that's it. So here you can see that leads that is being collected. Because I'm using a lead, so Facebook will track only leads. Okay, and then that's it for, and then just using Facebook, everything that been shown in the area, which is the commission hero, the landing page and everything, and then driving traffic. So guys, if you find this video very valuable, and if you enjoy this video, please make sure to smash the subscribe button, and also like this video, smash the like button. Also check all the recommendation, ClickFunnels and Aweber and all these good stuff in the description. It's completely free trial. You will get them in the description, and leave a comment below if you have any question, and I'll answer it within 2 hours. And anytime that I see your comment, I'm gonna answer. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you guys in a bit.